What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're going gem hunting today. Guess what we typically do is we find certain projects that do have the possibility of being more and find ones that either give us what we're looking for, whether it's a large amount of growth, a large amount of volume, a large amount of traction, and we're looking for profits out of those things, but also maybe some longevity within it. And if we could find ones that are more consistent, that have a lot going for them, that have all the things in place to show success, that's kind of what we're looking for, right? So let me know what you think about this play. We're going to be talking about Land Wolf today. We have all of the information. We have the website. We have the chart. We have the contract. We have the Twitter account. We're going to go through all of that stuff just to see, what they have to offer. And I want to know your guys' opinion, right? The reason why you make these videos is because you want to know what everybody else's opinion is on that. Have you looked into it? Are you taking steps to look into a little bit more? Have you already invested into it? So feel free to let me know in the comment section below what you think about this play, if you think it's going to kind of shake things up a bit and be worth quite a bit. So again, we're talking about Land Wolf in this video. Guys, if you could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to check out any of the links for Land Wolf, I will provide everything down there in the description. So feel free to check that out before you decide to purchase anything. You want to take everything I say here with a grain of salt and do your research yourself, because when you invest into something for you, not for somebody else, it makes you feel so much better about that investment that you made, right? And what we're here for, again, second opinion, third opinion, fourth opinion, then you decide to, make that investment. So anyways, let's get into this. We're going to start with the website, which is wolfland.io. Hey there, man. Peep this meme blockchain tech. It's shaking things up big time, right? Riding high on those decentralized waves, scoring those Pepe verse wins. So let's continue to go into this. If you haven't heard about Land Wolf yet, where you been? Wolf isn't just your average meme. He's a Latino icon in the whimsical world of boys clubs or boys club. Land Wolf stands as Pepe's best friend. Through their shared antics and laughs, their friendship blossoms, painting a picture of camaraderie amidst delightful absurdity. Together, Land Wolf and Pepe navigate their unique, humorous a journey embodying the spirit of Matt Fury, imaginative creation. Um, so I didn't know that, but this is, I guess, Pepe's best friend. Land Wolf is Pepe's best friend. The tokenomics that they have, 1% buy tax. You have 420 million coins that are in supply, which is not a massive amount. It's actually on the lower side when it comes to a meme coin. Typically, you're seeing, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 quadrillion, right? That's what you're really looking at, multiple trillions. But then you also have a 1% sell tax. Here at Land Wolf, we have 1% buy and sell tax to benefit you and your holdings. 100% of the money collected from the 1% tax on the purchase and sale of Land Wolf tokens goes solely to promote the Land Wolf token and make Land Wolf even more valuable for you to hold, which honestly is a good thing. It goes directly to marketing, and I feel like marketing and spending money on exchanges is where it's at, is where you can essentially increase that volume, which is the most important piece. Frequently asked questions. Who is Wolf? Wolf is a unique currency that evolved past all TradeFi predictions. It is based on Land Wolf, whom is Pepe's best friend. How does Wolf differ from other cryptocurrencies? Wolf is both a meme and a culture coin, meaning it is heavily focused on the use of memes and community engagement. How can I get involved in Wolf? You can get involved by purchasing tokens on Uniswap, participating in community discussions on Telegram, Twitter, Medium, and spreading the word through memes. So let's go into the chart here. We'll go into the DEX or DEX tools, and we'll also go into coin market cap there. Currently, you're sitting at a $13.6 million market cap, so it's no scrub, right? It has that level of liquidity. It has that level of a market cap. You see the circulating supplies at 420 million. So all of that is released. There's no type of dilution. If you scroll out or take a 10,000 foot view rather than a 100 foot view at this position, right? Typically people will look at the 1 day or the 5 day or something like that. We're looking at max view that we have from March 29th all the way until today, which is April 26th. And we're seeing this at a level where it reached 5 cents. It currently is at 3 cents. It started at a level of around 1 cent, did decrease down almost below 1 cent, right at the 1 cent level, but then increased to 5 cents from there. So you had a 500% return from there, or even from here, you're looking still at about a 300% return in this play, which is great. Right, currently sitting at 3 cents. It has so much more to go. Again, $13.6 million market cap. We look at the volume. I can say the volume does need a little work, but that comes with more marketing, with more exchanges, with more things there. And that's something that can be fixed, right? That's something that can be added when you see more and more volume that goes into it. Currently, there are 4,000 plus holders right now. And, you're seeing a lot of transactions that are going through, which is definitely a good thing. Again, you have that max supply. If we go over to CoinMarketCap and look at that information, again, 100% of the supply is there. If we look at the markets that are available, you have a Bitcoin Exchange, you have X Markets, you have Uniswap. That's all you really have. So when you do end up getting more and more exchanges, tier 2 exchanges, tier 1 exchanges, S tier exchanges, that's when you start seeing a lot more of that volume that does pick up. However, you could still see quite a bit of volume with a Bitcoin exchange. You could still see quite a bit of volume with a Uniswap, depending on the actions, depending on what people are doing, right? Within it, or what people see within it, and the marketing that goes out within it. So it looks like it's set up. It has all areas that are covered. The only thing that it needs is that marketing, is that volume. So that's that one thing that you really will see, and then you're going to see it absolutely take off and be worth a lot more than where it is right now. So I'm interested in this play, but again, I always want a second opinion, a third opinion on what other people do believe in it. It doesn't influence my decision. It's just I always like to hear the good, the bad, the ugly from what everybody else may see, because sometimes, like, when you read your own essay, you see it how you wanted to write it, but in reality, it wasn't 100% that way. So I want to make sure I get your opinion and you get my opinion if this was something that you were looking into. And obviously, if you searched for it, then it was something that you wanted to see. So again, make sure you check out all the links down below. I'll provide all the links for the website, for the chart, for the contract, and the Twitter account, which currently has 8,000 followers. So it does show that they are gaining more popularity. More money is going into this as Pepe's best friend. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this project down below. Also, make sure you check out any of my links down below. I would appreciate it in the description. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.